Hi, this is Mrs. Rothenberger, and today I'm going to show you how to use MathType. It's an add-on to Google Docs. And I'm going to demonstrate how you can use this on an iPad because it might prove to be much more useful. That way you can handwrite in your equations. So right now what you're seeing is my iPad screen, and I'm going to search for docs.google.com. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to go to the Docs landing page rather than open the application up through the iPad app. So once you do that, you'll get to this screen. You'll notice in the top right corner there's three little dots. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that, and one of the options under there is Request Desktop Site. And what this will do is this will make it so that my iPad Docs interface looks like my computer interface. And that's the environment you want to be in. So I'm going to open a new document, and if you do not have MathType on your iPad, you would just go to Add-ons. You would say Get Add-ons, and then you would search for MathType. And I'll do that. Even though I already have it, it's going to come up and just say, how do I want to manage it? So as you can see, I already have mine. So I'm going to close that window. And I'll show you within my document, if I go to add-ons and I say MathType, it gives me two options. I can use in a math setting or a chemistry setting. I'm going to use the math equation. And what will happen is, this might take a few minutes, but it'll open up a little different environment with different symbols. And what I'm going to demonstrate is the handwriting option over here on the right hand side. Once you do that, it gives you this little palette, and then as you write your formula, it'll transcribe it into a typed option of what you're writing. So if I said a squared plus b squared, you'll see it in the corner, and maybe I want the square root of that. And you are able to then just insert that right into your Google Doc, which I think is pretty slick. If you are in MathType, and let's say you were writing a formula, and you made a mistake, and you're like, oh no, that's not right. You can just scribble over that option, and it will erase it. So that's just a little tip. Hopefully this is helpful. I was thinking that especially as you're preparing assessments, this might be a great way to give you a little bit more speed as you're creating those things. Okay, if you have any questions, you can contact me. Thank you.